In our busy world, we are told to do more. Answer emails during a meeting, text while walking, plan dinner while helping with homework. We believe that juggling many tasks at once is the key to getting ahead. It feels productive. It feels like we are using every second of our day. But this is a lie. The truth is, when you try to do too much, you end up achieving too little. Your attention is split, your energy is scattered, nothing gets the full focus it truly deserves. This constant multitasking is not a strength. It is a trap that keeps you from your real potential. Think of it like this. Imagine you are trying to fill several buckets with water, but you only have one hose. If you quickly move the hose from one bucket to the next, a little water might go into each one, but a lot of it will spill on the ground between them. You waste more water than you collect. This is what happens when you multitask. You switch from one task to another, losing time and focus with every switch. Your brain has to stop, reset, and then start again on the new task. This constant stopping and starting is inefficient and exhausting, leaving you feeling busy but not truly productive. The idea that we can effectively do two things at once is a myth. Our brains are not designed for it. When we think we are multitasking, we are actually just switching between tasks very quickly. This rapid switching comes at a high cost. It leads to more mistakes. It makes it harder to think deeply and creatively. It increases our stress levels. Instead of moving forward on our most important goals, we get stuck in a cycle of busyness. We are caught in the shallows, never going deep enough on any single task to do extraordinary work. True progress comes from dedicated, uninterrupted focus. So, the first step to unlocking success is to abandon the myth of multitasking. You must accept that doing more things does not mean you get more done. In fact, it often means the opposite. It means your work is of lower quality and your most important goals are left untouched. To achieve extraordinary results, you must choose to do less. You must focus on one thing, your most important thing, and give it the attention it needs to be done right. This is not about being lazy. It is about being smart with your time and energy. It is about understanding that less but better is the real path to success. If you cannot do everything, how do you decide what to do? The answer is to find your one thing. This is the single most important action you can take right now. It is the one activity that, when done, will make everything else easier or even unnecessary. To find it, you must ask yourself a simple but powerful question. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? This is the focusing question. It is your compass. It points you toward the one action that will create the biggest impact on your goals and your life. This question works for every area of your life. You can use it for your job, your health, your relationships, and your personal growth. For your career, you might ask, what's the one thing I can do this week to get closer to my promotion? For your health, it could be, what's the one thing I can do today to improve my energy? The beauty of this question is its simplicity and its power to bring clarity. It cuts through the clutter of a long to-do list. It forces you to ignore all the things you could do and focus on the one thing you should do. This is how you line up your priorities and start making real progress. Many people believe that everything on their to-do list matters equally. This is another lie that holds us back. Success is not a game of checking off the most boxes. It is about doing the right things. The truth is that some tasks matter far more than others. A few key actions will produce the majority of your results. This is the 80-20 principle in action, where 20% of your efforts lead to 80% of your success. The focusing question helps you identify that critical 20%. It helps you see that not all tasks are created equal, and it guides you to put your energy where it will have the greatest effect. Finding your one thing is like finding the first domino in a long line. If you can push over that one lead domino, it will trigger a chain reaction. It will knock over the next domino and the next, until you have achieved something truly great. Your big goals might seem far away and impossible to reach, but by focusing on your one thing right now, you start a domino effect. Each small focused action builds on the last, creating momentum that carries you toward your biggest ambitions. Your job is not to worry about all the dominoes at once. Your job is simply to find the first one and give it a push. Once you have used the focusing question to identify your one thing, you must protect it. The world is full of distractions that will try to pull you away. Emails will arrive, people will knock on your door, your phone will buzz with notifications. If you are not careful, your most important work will get pushed aside for things that feel urgent but are not important. This is why you must block time for your one thing. Time blocking is the practice of scheduling an appointment with yourself to work on your highest priority. It is non-negotiable time dedicated to making progress on your most important goal. Think of your calendar as your most powerful tool for success. Most people let their calendar fill up with other people's priorities. They attend meetings and answer requests, leaving no time for their own big projects. To live with purpose, you must do the opposite. You must first block out time for your one thing. This should be the first thing on your calendar. Treat this time block with the same respect you would give to an important meeting with your boss or a doctor's appointment. It is your time to focus, to do deep work, and to push over your lead domino. Nothing else should be allowed to steal this time from you. During your time block, your only job is to work on your one thing. This means you must create an environment that supports deep focus. Turn off your phone or put it in another room. Close your email client and any unnecessary tabs on your computer. Let your colleagues and family know that you cannot be disturbed during this time. Your goal is to build a fortress around your focus, protecting it from all possible invaders. At first, this might feel difficult, but over time, you and the people around you will learn to respect this sacred time. It is the time when your best work gets done. The most successful people live by their calendars, not by their to-do lists. A to-do list can be a collection of good intentions, but a time block is a commitment to action. Aim to block out a few hours each morning for your one thing. The morning is often when our willpower and energy are at their highest. By tackling your most important task first, you ensure that it gets done before the day's distractions take over. This simple habit of time blocking, practiced consistently, will create extraordinary results over time. It is how you guarantee that you are always making progress on what matters most. Living the one thing is about more than just being productive. It is about living a life of purpose. When you focus on what truly matters, you align your daily actions with your biggest dreams. Each day becomes an opportunity to take one more step toward the life you want to live. Success is not a single event. It is a process built one domino at a time. By consistently identifying and working on your one thing, you create a powerful momentum. What starts as a small action grows into a big result. This is the path to achieving extraordinary things without feeling overwhelmed. To stay on this path, it is important to build supportive habits and surround yourself with the right people. Find an accountability partner, someone who shares your commitment to focus. This person can help you stay on track when you feel like giving up. Celebrate your progress together. It is also crucial to learn to say no. You must say no to the requests and distractions that pull you away from your one thing. Saying no to the small things allows you to say yes to your big goals. It is a choice that protects your time, your energy, and your focus. Remember that the journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you get distracted. There will be times when you lose focus. That is okay. The key is to not let one bad day turn into a bad week. Simply return to the focusing question. Ask yourself again, what's the one thing I can do right now to get back on track? This simple act will bring you back to what is most important. It will help you reset and start again. Success is built on this kind of persistence and this commitment to your primary goal. Ultimately, the secret to an extraordinary life is simple focus. It is not about doing everything, but about doing the right thing. It is about understanding that a single, well-placed effort can create a ripple effect of success. Do not get lost in the busyness of life. Do not fall for the lie that you must do it all. Instead, find your one thing. Block time for it. Protect it fiercely. Do it with all your focus. This is how you unlock your true potential. This is how you build a life that is not just successful, but also filled with purpose and meaning. Your one thing is waiting.